Our steel doors are made with premium materials, ensuring durability and strength. We use only premium steel to create doors that are resistant to corrosion and damage, ensuring that they last for years to come. Our factory has the most advanced equipment and technology in the industry, enabling us to produce steel doors of the highest quality. With our state-of-the-art production line, we can produce up to 30,000 steel doors per month, ensuring that our customers receive their orders in a timely manner. At our factory, we are committed to providing our customers with the best quality steel doors at the most competitive prices. We firmly believe that our production capacity and high-quality steel doors will exceed your expectations. Our commitment to quality doesn't stop at our products. We also provide exceptional customer service to ensure that your experience with us is smooth and stress-free. From the moment you contact us, our team of experts will work with you to find the perfect steel door solution for your needs. So why not choose our steel doors?